Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make hot cross buns. Although it is usually associated over Easter weekend, I believe you can enjoy it all year long. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: the zest of 1 lemon, 520 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of mixed raisins, 300 milliliters of lukewarm milk, 1 egg, 10 milliliters of mixed spices, 10 grams of dry yeast, 10 milliliters salt, 5 milliliters cinnamon, 75 grams of caster sugar, 40 grams of melted butter, and 30 milliliters of smooth apricot jam. Sift all the dry ingredients together. Melt the apricot jam and mix all the wet ingredients together. Add the wet ingredients and knead the dough. Fold the raisins and lemon zest into the dough. Let it brew for an hour and a half. Knead it down and proof it for another hour and a half. Divide the dough into 12 equal pieces. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and prepare a baking tray. For the white cross, mix 125 ml all-purpose flour, 10 ml caster sugar and 80 ml water. Pipe it onto the buns. Bake for 20 minutes. Cover the buns with melted apricot jam. Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.